wonderful day, making some really good trades as per usual. Let's dive into some analysis here. So right now, still chopping about, possibly in this connector. Either we're going to make another high in another ABC, or the correction's over and we're going to get rejected around this area here between 112 to 114. We'd be looking for like an early on pump next week into this area if we can get it. And if we do, maybe you want to look for a rejection, right? Now, we could still be in this B as well, like on the smaller time frames. You could technically still be in this B. You can make the case that, oh, you know, it's a flat, right? Oh, you could always say that. Again, if you say it's a flat, you would have hit the target perfectly, right? If this was a flat. And you should see upside up into this, up into the 112 to 113, even as high as 114, 115. But that move should fail, all right? If this is a, you know, an impulse down, which kind of looks like it now, looking at the 1 hour, and really, you know, this is gonna set us back for more upside later on, right? It's gonna delay the bull run if this happens. If this doesn't happen and you continue to impulse higher, then that's beautiful. But the only problem is that we're moving in threes. We got 3 down, now we got 3 up, and we didn't, you know, finish with any divergence. You peaked with peak RSI and then pulled back, and that usually means that this is a 3-wave move. So if this is a connector, then you got one more leg down coming. And you know, I really want to stay bullish as long as possible, but you know, the thing is that you gotta trade with what the charts are telling you. So if this is a flat, excuse me, if this is a flat, then this should have been the low, and you can chart another target. I think I already put it there for you guys. So yeah, basically in this area here, 113 to 116, and you got this pivot to trade against. So I guess that pivot is your high. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It's pretty simple. Let's take a look at what we talked about yesterday, right, on the 1 hour time frame. So I was concerned that we might get a drop down, right, if money flow didn't come back up. Now it did come back up, just not as much as we wanted it to. And the 1 hour is actually trying to exit that green money flow. And if we do end up getting a move higher, the RSIs are opening up here, so we'll keep a close eye on it if that's going to be a weak move. And I mean, overall, I think we were overdue for a bounce. We've pulled back basically $10,000 in the price of Bitcoin from 116 all the way down to 106. So it's 10,000 right there, and you probably get decent size correction back up, right? Counter trend rally, and if it fails, it's between 112 to 114. The stock market a little bit weak, right? At the end of the day, you can see here stocks were pulling back. Small caps made a decent move back up, but overall, still bullish on Bitcoin on the macro. It's just the micro time frames. We got to be careful not to get caught on the wrong side of the trade. If this ends up coming down, you really don't want to be long, right, at the wrong time, because this could end up dropping you down all the way down to 92, right? And that's more than just a $10,000 move. That is a $21,000 move. So you got to be really, really, really careful. Okay, so that's basically it. I don't really have much else to add. If you guys want to continue to subscribe to the Discord, help support the channel. Also, you guys get to follow me in the real time what I'm doing with my trades. I'll be looking to maybe short this if we can get a counter trend rally to 114, 116. But until then, kind of just sitting on my hands. We're in the middle area here, chopping about. We got some dip buyers that came in. They definitely accumulated on this drop here, so they're probably gonna try and push it back up before they dump it back down. That's just the way it goes. Okay. All right. So until then, we'll continue to trade the range, and that's it. Peace.